Waiting for you. This is Stephen Brown, Lee County Extension Service. And by the way, Lee County is in Southwest Florida. And I want to welcome you back to another Florida Landscape series. And today we're going to talk about this plant. It is a native plant, a Florida native plant, and even also native to Lee County. This is the Gaillardia. So come with me, let's talk about this plant. Take a look down here. This is a single plant. The Gaillardia has a way of growing in the most inhospitable place. It'll grow anywhere. And this plant has, what is it, 4 expanded flowers. 4 flowers right here. Nice, pretty composite flowers. Right beside me is another Gaillardia growing in a pot. So for garden culture, for pot culture, the Gaillardia makes a perfect specimen. I have a third plant to show you. This is absolutely one plant, one Gaillardia. You can see the expanse in which this has covered. Partly in the garden here and partly into the parking lot. This plant is also called Blanket-Flower. This is probably why. See this? This is one plant. You can kind of cover yourself up like you're actually being covered by a blanket. 90 inches wide. And it's really wet in here too, so make sure it's a dry blanket you're putting on yourself, okay? I've estimated the number of flowers on just this one plant. There are approximately 183 flowers on just a single plant. This is a great specimen. This is what we normally see, and this is what is normally sold in nurseries. This multicolor flower right here. Here's a yellow form of the same Gaillardia, the blanket flower. And look at this interesting variation. Look at that right here. This is from the same patch. This is the process of natural hybridization. And look at these individual florets are right off here that we can pick off this composite head. So absolutely splendid variation from the same plant in your garden bed. Expect miracles. Again, this is Stephen Brown, and I want you to join me next time because there's always something new to learn in the Florida landscape.